Give me another number. Anyway, the order of the questions not based on the difficulties.
Okay.
All right.
Number 1.
Number 1, really? Okay. Number 1.
When you said really, I'm scared now.
Okay, I'm just make sure you select that number. That's all. Okay, it is so easy for you though.
What is Scratch and why do we use it to learn coding? Because Scratch means you scratch your mind.
You scratch your mind every time you code.
Yes.
All right.
Why is the emoji sickness my face? What is Scratch and why do we use it to learn coding?
Okay, so there are 2 questions right here. What is Scratch? So let's start with that one. Scratch is
an app that
okay.
we use to learn coding.
Okay. Yeah. That's a good answer.
On the question. That is on the question.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Now the second one. Why do we use it to learn coding? What do you think based on your experience?
We use it to learn coding so we can like make a new space.
New project, you mean?
I mean a new project.
Yeah. Okay.
So like we use it to. I'm sorry.
We use it to. Correct.
We use it to learn coding, so it makes us learn how to make projects by ourselves and not with any help.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yes, that's nice.
And
Okay. Continue.
we learn coding so we can make people that are playing our what is it called?
Game or project?
Game or I don't know. So they can be happy.
Okay.
Or I don't know.
I like it.
And
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes. Awesome. Yes, we use Scratch because it is easier for beginners. Because you can type it, right? When you are typing the codes, and I believe it is more frustrating. So when you are typing, when you miss one dot, and it will be error.